all the vegetarians look away because things are going to get dirty right here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is real food. This is what our ancestors have been eating since 4 million years. Look at this amazing thing, bone broth, also called pai in Hindi. So for dinner tonight, I'm having bone broth, also called paya in Hindi. The main reason I'm having this today because I got a little injury recently in my serratus anterior, which is a muscle right here. I was attempting a PR, squat PR. Now, injuries are part of the game. Sometimes you just cannot stop the injuries. But what you can do is make sure that you recover as soon as possible, as fast as possible, by giving the body essential nutrients, by giving the body what it really requires. So reason I'm having bone broth is it has good amount of collagen. If you take any food, आप muscle meat खाओ, egg खाओ या फिर plants खाओ, no food has more collagen than bone broth. Basically it's heated for at least 12-16 hours और उससे क्या होता है, bone marrow में जितना भी nutrition है, it comes into the broth. And it is also an excellent source of electrolytes like sodium and potassium. So today I was working out in a heat. It was very humid. Now I'm replenishing those electrolytes, which is sodium and potassium. It also has good amount of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus. But the main reason I'm having bone broth is for recovery, is for collagen. If you're having any muscular injury or having any wound on your skin or having any bone related injuries like bone related problems like osteoporosis, arthritis, then bone broth is the best remedy for you. It will help you recover as soon as possible. Look at this. So this is, I guess, ankle. I'm not sure. This is ankle piece of a beef, and इसको आप, oh, it's very hot, इसको आप 12 से 20 घंटे low temperature पे boil करते हैं, and all the nutrition which is in the bone comes out in the broth. This is the broth. This is the soup. Our ancestors have been using bone broth since very long. I remember मैं जब छोटा बच्चा था, कभी मेरी इंजरी होती थी, so my mom used to give me chicken soup. That time I did not know that it has this amount of nutrition, it has good amount of collagen. But now, yeah, our ancestors were not wrong. 50-60 साल पहले we were not scared of eating this much meat. We were not scared of eating bone broth. Suddenly all the guidelines has changed and it has put a big fear in people's mind that meat causes heart disease, meat raises your cholesterol levels. That is not true. I have made a video on this also. Context matters. If you are eating meat, what are you eating it with? Are you eating it in a burger? Are you eating meat on a pizza? Are you eating meat with pasta? So context matters. Don't just blame meat for what you are having it with. It has lots of fats and protein. To get big, you have to eat a lot of protein. Now, I said a lot of protein. I did not say excess protein. Many people get offended when I say protein. I did not say excess protein. You do not have to eat 300 or 400 grams of protein to get big. If this video added any value in your life, hit like, share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there.